Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, nous allons lire un livre qui s'appelle Joe Rigolo. 1, 2, 3, disco. Donc ça, c'est Joe Rigolo, that's his name. Funny Joe. Joe Rigolo. Rigolo means funny. Joe is his name, first name. 1, 2, 3, disco. 1, 2, 3, disco. So here's Joe Rigolo, Funny Joe, avec sa guitare. Alors, on s'amuse bien chez Joe Rigolo. We have so much fun at Joe Rigolo. Avec ses instruments, il fait tout un numéro. With all his instruments, he is having so much fun. Il joue avec entrain. He really enjoys it. Donc, il joue avec des cymbales qu'il a mis sur sa petite queue et il joue à la guitare. He looks like so much fun. I would love to have a dog who plays guitar. Disco, disco, waf, waf. Disco, disco, hurrah! So here it goes like this. Can you do that with him? You see how he's moving his paw in the front and his other paw in the back? And he's probably shaking it to the music. He goes, disco, disco, woof, woof. Disco, disco, hurrah! Toc, toc. Qui est là? Who is there? One? Un quoi? One what? So someone knocks at the door and says, un. Un means what? One. So the little mouse or the little squirrel says, one what? What do you think is behind the door? Qu'est-ce qu'il se cache derrière la porte? Let's find out. Un chien de plus pour jouer avec toi. One more dog to play with you. Un chien de plus pour jouer avec toi. Combien de chiens sont là? How many dogs are there? 2. 1 plus 1 égale 2. 1 plus 1 égale 2. Il y a 2 chiens. 1, 2. Il y a moins de place avec 2 chiens. Est-ce que Joe s'en plaint? There is less room with 2 dogs. Is Joe complaining about it? What do you think? Do you think Joe is complaining about it? Let's find out. On va voir. On tourne la page. Pas du tout. Not at all. Pas du tout. Il joue avec entrain. He's playing with fun. He's playing with a lot of fun. And he keeps going. Disco, disco, woof, woof. Disco, disco, hurrah. Regardez comme ils sont heureux. Ils sourient. They're very happy. Toc, toc. Qui est là? Who is it? 2. 2 quoi? 2 what? What do you think it is? 2 quoi? Let's find out. What's hiding behind the door? Qu'y a-t-il derrière la porte? 2 chiens de plus pour jouer avec toi. 2 more dogs to play with you. Oh là là! Oh mon Dieu! Combien de chiens sont là? How many dogs are there? 2 plus 2 égale 4. Oh, 2 plus 2 égale 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chiens. Il y a moins de place avec 4 chiens. Est-ce que Joe s'en plaint? There is less room with 4 dogs. Is Joe complaining about it? What do you think? Let's find out. Pas du tout. Not at all. Il joue avec entrain. He's playing with a lot of fun. And what does he say? Disco, disco, woof, woof. Disco, disco. Hurrah! Regardez comme ils s'amusent bien. Are they having fun? Oui. Super. Ils s'éclatent. Ils s'amusent bien. Toc, toc. Oh, mais qui est là? Who is there? 4. Oh, 4 quoi? For what? 4 quoi? What do you think is hiding behind the door? Qu'y a-t-il derrière la porte? Oh là là, mon Dieu! Oh, 4 chiens de plus pour jouer avec toi. 4 more dogs to play with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow, il y a beaucoup de chiens. Combien de chiens sont là? How many dogs are there? On peut compter? Would you like to count with Madame Christine? Alors, il y a un chien, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Il y a 8 chiens. Ouh, il y a beaucoup de chiens. Oh, on a deviné. We guessed it. 4 plus 4 égale 8. Il y a moins de place avec 8 chiens. Est-ce que Joe s'en plaint? There is less room with 8 dogs. Is Joe okay with that? What do you think? Is Joe okay with having so many dogs over? On va voir. Let's find out. Oh, pas du tout! It doesn't bother him at all. Disco, disco, woof, woof. Disco, disco, hurrah! The more the merrier, right? Ils s'éclatent, ils s'amusent super bien. They're having so much fun. Oh, la pièce est pleine à craquer. Tout le monde tape du pied. Mais Joe dit qu'il manque un invité. De qui peut-il bien parler? The room is full, completely full. Tout le monde tape du pied. Everybody is stomping with their feet, tapping to the music. Mais Joe dit qu'il manque un invité. But Joe says, we're missing someone. Huh. Il manque quelqu'un. Mais de qui peut-il parler? Who do you think he's talking about? Toc toc. Oh, qui est là? Who is there? Un invité. A guest? Un invité de qui? A guest of whom? Who do you think it is? Je ne sais pas. Qui se cache derrière la porte? Ouh là là. Oh, oh, de Joe! Of Joe! Il t'invite, toi! He invites you à venir jouer avec lui. So he invites you, toi, to go and play at his house. Here is the invitation. Tu es invité à une fête disco. You are invited to a disco party. Yay! Où? Chez Joe. Where? At Joe's. Quand? When? Maintenant? Right now? Apporte tes souliers pour danser. Don't forget to bring your dancing shoes. Es-tu prêt à danser? Are you ready to dance? Es-tu prêt à t'amuser? Are you ready to have fun? Woo! Let's go and dance at Jo Rigolo's house. We'll have so much fun. Let's all meet there. Cette histoire est presque terminée, mais la fête ne fait que commencer. This story is almost over, but the party is only starting. Tous les chiens font leur numéro. All the dogs are performing. Disco, disco, woof, woof. Disco, disco, hurrah! Car ils savent qu'avec Jo Rigolo, on n'est jamais trop nombreux. Because they know that with Jo Rigolo, there's never too many of them. The more the merrier, right? Fini. Did you enjoy the book? C'était bien? Was it fun? Oui? Très bien. À demain les enfants. Au revoir. Bisous.